Hey, it's James Jones here. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you as a follow-up to my podcast on creating coupons. I know it's kind of complicated, a little too complicated to follow just in an audio. So let me show you exactly how to do it. So all you have to do, log into your Seller Central account, go to advertising and then promotions, and that'll take you to this page right here. Now, if you've never set one up before, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Manage Product Selection. Okay, so let's click this link. All right, and then there's a button right here that says Create a New Product Selection. So just click on that. And then I always just use the ASIN list because all my products and all your products should have an ASIN number. Makes it really easy just to enter that number. So just choose ASIN list, click submit, and even though it says list, we're just going to do one at a time. Your tracking ID, this is just whatever you want to put here, just however you're going to identify it. For instance, the example here is Blue Shoes 08, so you can just use that. That's just for your own benefit. Internal description, this is just a description for your own use as well. It will not be displayed to anyone, so you just enter that same thing there. The ASIN list right here. So just enter your ASIN here, and all items on Amazon are going to have an ASIN. You can find it right here. Just go to the listing for your product, scroll down to product details, and right here is the ASIN. Just copy that and just enter it into here. And if you have any change notes, if you change anything, you can add them here. That's just for your own benefit as well. And then just click on submit, and that will add that to your product selections. Once you add that, it's going to show up in your list down here, and then you can use that every time you create a coupon for that product. You never have to enter this again. All right, so let's go back to the promotions. Okay. Now, generally, there are several ways to create promotions. You can do money off coupons, you can do buy one, get one, and external benefits. For our purposes, we're going to use money off, so just click on create. All right, and then here, buyer purchases, we're going to leave that at 1, so that just means the buyer has to purchase at least one of the item. And we can actually set it down below so they are only allowed to get one. We'll cover that as well. Okay, under purchased items, this is where you select the item that we just set up. So in this case, we called it Blue Shoes number 8. Okay, and the buyer is going to get, you can give them either a percentage off or a dollar amount off. And I usually just do dollar amount off. So let's say that your product costs $20 and you want to make it to where the person who has this coupon gets the product for only $1. So you would enter 19 here. So that means $19 off of the price. Okay, and we're going to apply this to purchased items. And let's look under advanced. Here is where you can set up some tiers. And I don't suggest you do this starting off. Basically what this means is if they buy this product, then they can get this other product at a certain discount. Or they can get this other product for free if they buy a certain product. But for now, we're just going to hide those. You can explore those on your own. Scheduling. Now, this is really important. Amazon always sets automatically for 1 day. And if you forget to change this, then your coupon is going to end after the day's over. So I'm going to make this one to the end of the year. And this is what I normally do because you can always go in and cancel a coupon. So I'm going to make mine at the end of the year if I decide to cancel it before I can come in here and cancel it. No big deal. Okay, internal description, you're going to need something here, and so we're just going to put friends and family discount. All right, the tracking, you can change this as well. Amazon kind of suggests something for you. I'm just going to leave that. Okay, now this is really important under additional options. We're going to click on claim code. This is our claim code. This is the coupon code that we're going to give to people when we want them to be able to use the coupon. Okay, so that's what we give them. They put into the coupon field on Amazon. All right, right here, we need to check that. So that makes sure that they can only use the coupon 1 time. All right, because otherwise, if we're offering a product that we're selling for, $20 and we're letting them get it for $1, they could go in and wipe us out of inventory. So we don't want that to happen. All right, and we're going to leave this at exclusive and under customized messaging. Also very important, we want to uncheck this box here, because otherwise, if we leave this checked, it's going to display our coupon on our product page, and we don't want that to happen. Now, in some cases, you might want it to happen, but in this case, I don't want anyone else seeing this except for the people that I give the coupon code to. All right, and now I'm going to click on Review, and it's going to tell me if I have any errors. Okay, it would have told me if there were any errors here, but now I see that I can submit this. I'm just going to go over and look at it, make sure it's right. Okay, everything looks right here. I'm going to click on Submit. All right, and that promotion will go live in about 3 hours. All right, so if you click on Manage Your Promotions here, you're probably not going to see anything here because it's not live yet. So what you want to do is click on Pending. And you can see over here there are actions. You can view it. You can edit it. You can edit some of the fields, but not all of them. And you can also clone. So if you wanted to set up a similar coupon, just do a clone. It'll create a clone of this one. All right, there's one other really handy feature that Amazon has recently added called claim codes. I'm going to show you how to use that because they're very useful. So we're going to click on here to go into it, or we can click Edit as well. Okay, and right here is Manage Claim Codes. So click that. All right, enter a group name, and I'm just going to call it Group 1. All right, quantity. I want, let's say 50. And I'm going to show you what this does. So click Create. All right, now, Amazon just created 50 claim codes for us under this group name. And if we download those, like this, notice that they're down at the bottom here. I'm going to open this up. It's in a zip file, so you have to unzip this to see it. It's just a text document, though. All right, so just numbers. So there's 50 numbers in here. Each one of these is a one-time use only coupon. Okay, so Amazon gave us this claim code to give out to anyone to be able to use. However, there's a danger that someone could post this on the internet or send it out to all their email list or whatever, and all of a sudden you've got 1,000 people using this coupon and running you out of inventory. Now, that's no good. So what you can do is, instead of using this, giving this to everyone, give them the claim codes instead. Okay, so come back over here to claim codes and give the people that are going to use the coupon one of these. They'll be able to use this, and then once it's used, it expires. It's deactivated. So in this case, you're giving each person their own unique claim code that's registered to that coupon. So they can use this one time, but they can't send it to all their friends or put it on a website because it will only work that one time. So this is a really, really cool feature. The only downside to this is that you have to communicate to each person individually what their coupon code is or what their claim code is. Instead of sending everyone the same coupon, you've got to send each individual person their own claim code. Okay, so that's it for how to set up coupon codes in Amazon. It's an extremely powerful feature that I hope you get a lot of benefit from. Thanks for watching and have a great day.